Hello, hope you're well. Look, today we're going to make this carrot curry. It's really simple, this one. Very few ingredients, absolutely delicious. Vegan, vegetarian, healthy, spicy, Indian. Let's go. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. So we're going to go straight in on this one today. It's very simple, this. I've got in there 3 tablespoons of oil. Now I'm using a coconut oil. You can use a different oil if you want, but coconut is really delicious in this. So I've just put the heat on. It's on above medium heat, and we're going to add 2 teaspoons of cumin seeds. To that we're also going to add some fresh curry leaves. I've got them just here. Sort of kind of handful of fresh curry leaves. If you can get them, they're absolutely wonderful. If you can't, nothing replaces them, but you might be able to get them dried, maybe, depending on where you live. We're just going to let them do their thing in that oil. They really infuse the oil, make it super tasty. And then we're going to add 1 cup of onion. And we're going to get our carrots in now. So I've got 3 cups of carrots here, and I've cut them fairly small, as you can see. So we're going to stay on this medium heat, and we're going to go for around 4 to 5 minutes. Give it a stir every now and then. So I've been going about 5 minutes here. Now we're going to add some fresh chili. Now I'm putting my fresh chili in whole. Chop it if you want. I'm going to drop in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Adjust that how you wish. More if you fancy it, less if you fancy it. We're then going to add some salt to taste, and 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, which is a 50-50 mix of the 2. And we're going to continue on this medium heat for another 4 or 5 minutes. Beautiful stuff. Let's get some spices happening, shall we? Here we go. So we've got a teaspoon each of turmeric, cumin and coriander, and 2 teaspoons of chili powder. I'm using the Kashmiri chili powder for anyone interested. Let's just give this a little quick mix. Spread those spices around. Next up, we're going to add some coconut milk. I've got 600 ml of coconut milk, and in that goes. And again, on a medium heat. We're going to go for another 5 minutes. Okay, so off goes the heat. There you can see that it's reduced down, deepened in colour once the spices do their thing in there. Check it for salt. It's going to be good for me. Just going to grab a little bit of cilantro or coriander, whatever you may call that. Give that a mix. Job done. That's a beauty. Nice and simple. And there you have it. Fabulous stuff. Hope you enjoy that. Keep safe, keep well. I'll see you soon. Lots of love. Hello everyone, an update about the cookbooks. Well, the first one is now finally available. It's on Amazon. You can get it in an ebook, $3.99, very cheap. 195 pages of wonderful food from the Indian continent. It's flicking by you right now. Do me a favor, do yourself a favor, and please buy that. It helps the channel out a great deal. It's also available in paperback if you want that. Check the link below this video. You can just click that, buy it. Thanks a lot. Lots of love.